So, have you ever really wondered what it takes to become a home inspector here in Texas? I mean, if you're looking for a career that gets you out from behind a desk and puts you right in the middle of the action in the real estate market, well, you've definitely come to the right place. We are about to break it all down for you.
Let's just dive right in. Are you truly ready for a hands-on career? I mean, think about it for a second. Your knowledge, your expertise, that could be the one thing that helps a family make the biggest, most important purchase of their lives. You're not just an inspector. You are a crucial piece of the puzzle.
Okay, so let's map this whole journey out. We're going to go step by step, from the very first class you take all the way to what you've got to do to maintain that professional license. Think of this as your roadmap to building a really successful career right here in the Lone Star State.
Now, first things first, every good journey needs a guide. And when it comes to Texas real estate, your guide is an agency called TREC.
And here they are. This is the Texas Real Estate Commission, or as everyone calls them, TREC. They're the official governing body for all real estate license holders in Texas. And yep, that absolutely includes home inspectors.
So what exactly does TREC do? Well, their mission is pretty clear. They license, they regulate, and they enforce the rules. But it all boils down to one single important thing: protecting you, the Texas consumer. They make sure that every licensed pro out there is held to the absolute highest standard.
All right, now that you've met your guide, let's take a look at the actual path they've laid out for you. And the good news is, it's clear, it's structured, and it is totally achievable. The entire process really comes down to these three key steps. First, you complete your education. Second, you submit your application. And third, you pass the exam. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? So let's dig into that very first one, your education.
All right, the magic number you need to remember for your education is 194. That is the total number of qualifying education hours you're going to need to complete to become a professional inspector.
Now, what's really important to see here is how those 194 hours are broken down. It's actually split into two parts. You're going to start with 110 hours covering all the national material, things like building inspection, how to analyze your findings, and business operations. The key takeaway here is you have to complete this national portion before you can move on to the 84 hours of state-specific courses, which includes the super important Texas Practicum, also known as the Ride-Along.
So once you've got all those course certificates in your hand, it's time for step 2. That application. You'll gather everything up, the application itself, your certificates of completion, and the fee, and you'll mail it all off to TREC headquarters down in Austin.
And this gives you a really good snapshot of the commitment involved. Realistically, you're probably looking at about 3 to 6 months to get through all the education and get licensed. And the estimated cost for all that coursework, it's right around $3,000. So this gives you a super clear picture of the investment you're making in your brand new career.
Okay, so getting that license is your first huge milestone. But being a true professional, well, that means knowing the rules of the road. So let's take a look at what that means in the real world.
Now, in Texas, there are a couple of different levels of inspector licenses. A real estate inspector actually has to work under the supervision of a professional inspector. But once you become that professional inspector, that's when you can work on your own, you can run your own business, and you can even sponsor other inspectors. It's the clear path to growing your career.
Let's talk about a few really critical rules that are designed to protect everyone involved. First off, you can't be both the inspector and the real estate agent in the same transaction. That's a huge conflict of interest. Second, false or misleading advertising is an absolute no-go. Your entire reputation is built on trust. And finally, you have to be totally transparent and disclose any relationships you might have with other people in the deal. It's all about making sure things are fair and maintaining your integrity. So you've earned your license, you're following the rules. What's next? Well, a great career isn't just a one-time thing. It's all about continuous learning and growth.
To keep your license active and make sure your skills are sharp, TREC requires you to complete what's called continuing education, or CE, every 2 years. This is how you stay up to date on all the latest standards, laws, and best practices. So over each 2-year license cycle, you'll need to complete 18 hours of CE. And as you can see, a pretty big chunk of that is dedicated to legal updates, just to keep you current. The rest is a mix of contract-related stuff and electives, which is cool because it gives you the flexibility to study what you're most interested in. It's a really manageable way to make sure you're always at the top of your game.
And there you have it. We've walked through the entire journey, from understanding TREC's role to getting your license and even how to maintain your professional status. The path is laid out, it's clear. So the only question left is, are you ready to take that first step?
Get free TREC practice tests. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to start practicing today.